Today's item was the same bath mat as yesterday, which you just saw. I have the right side up this time, and it has little prickly things that stick up from it. As you can tell, the puppies were not phased by it at all. They had no problem walking on it, messing with it. Matter of fact, they tried chewing some of the little things that stick up off of it. I was watching closely, and none of them ever actually chewed anything off of it. But they did have fun kind of playing with it and interacting with it. They are really troopers, and nothing really seems to faze them so far. We'll keep introducing new things and we'll see how they do with it. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy watching them play a little bit longer.